Hi everyone, welcome. So I got a new sticker book, but it's more than a sticker book. Let's talk about how. I will, as per usual, put links in the description in case you would like to get one of these for yourself or a gift for someone else. And I will put timestamps in the first pinned comment if you want to jump back and forth between the sections. So this is called Antiquities, Sticker, Color, and Activity Book, and it is all of those. I had been at Barnes & Noble a couple years ago, and I came across this one, the Antiquarian Sticker Book. I've mentioned it in numerous videos, and it says it has over 1,000 exquisite Victorian stickers, and I have not used even a tenth of them over these years. There's just so many available. Some of them are weird in my terms. Some of them are cool. Some of them are beautiful. Oh, look at all the cats. But they are, in fact, all stickers, okay? This one is called Sticker, Color, and Activity Book. So I wanted to walk you through what some of the fun things are in this book. First of all, it says it has over 500 unique stickers, so you are going to get some of the same kind of style stickers that are in the first book. But then there's additional fun stuff, like, for example, mazes. Several different mazes, and it says solution on page 162. Any of the things in here that are equivalent to games have solutions in the back, so you can see if you did it right. Or if you get completely stuck, you can cheat and get back out. So lots of those mazes. A lot of the pages could be used as scrapbook paper. They're really, really beautiful, just like the end papers and the pages between the stickers. You do have, like I said, stickers like the Antiquarian Sticker Book, so you have things like botanical, birds, Victorian people. These are like from Valentine's. But in between those, you also have these lovely quotes. So you could cut those out and put them in a journal, make art around them. I thought these were really cool. I like these kind of portrait style, like Instagram has changed to now, portrait style stickers. And this is the kind of thing where you could take one at a time and use it to decorate like the front of a traveler's notebook insert. Or you could cut all of these out and make a page that's based on the grid like this. Okay, but more activities. So then there's the art of inkblot poetry. What? So Rorschach tests, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, have been used as personality tests since 1921. But before that, before the psychiatrist assigned meanings to what people saw in the images, there was klexography. I think that's how you pronounce that, klexography. The 18th century art of creating images with inkblots and then making up imaginative poems or stories about them. So they give you pages like this, and then there's a little area where you can put your interpretation, but then you could turn them into short stories, flash fiction, poetry, song lyrics, whatever you want. So I'm gonna put these on the screen here just for a couple seconds and let you look at the one on the left and the one on the right. And then I'll tell you what I saw, and in the comments, please tell me what you saw. I think that would be really fun, just to see if we were on the same page at all. So this is the one on the left. And my interpretation of this one on the left is an F-18 Hornet fighter jet from above in the sky. So it's flying, and you're in the plane above it, looking down on your wingman, like in Top Gun. See, doesn't it kind of look like here's the nose of the plane, here's the wings, here's the tail, and then this kind of looks like a satellite image with clouds? Am I the only one who saw a fighter jet? Okay, then the next one, give that one a couple seconds, pause if you need to, figure out what you see in the inkblot. Okay, so this one, I think that this is Lady Gaga wearing like a showgirl headdress, you know, like in Vegas. And then these are wings. Okay, then these are the arms, and she has like gloves, you know, like the long gloves up your arm. And then these are those pants that like a court jester wears, or like a Mardi Gras doll. I'm not quite sure exactly what those are called, right? So it's a Lady Gaga doll wearing a Vegas showgirl headdress and feathered wings. Close? Anybody get anything like that? Okay, so there are more Inkblots to play around with and write poetry about. There's palmistry. It teaches you how to read poems. And then this is fun. This is connect the dots. And it took me like 5 minutes just to find the number 1. So that's half the fun, is finding the 1, because it's not just like right out at the beginning. And then there are solutions in the back, so you can see if your creature or animal or flower or whatever it is. I haven't done them yet, so I'm not quite sure what they are. Find out if yours looks anything like the solution. And then there are quizzes, like Victorian trivia, and you can check those off and then check the answers in the back. More stickers. More quotes. More birds. More botanicals. Butterflies. Then we have coloring pages. And these are two-sided, so you can do both sides, and then if you wanted to cut it out and put it in some kind of a junk journal or an art journal, you could pick the one you like best and cut it out, or you could photocopy them and then put them in your junk journal. So lots of coloring pages. I thought this one was especially cute. And some of them you wouldn't need to color. This, I think, is amazing just on its own. I mean, I would cut that out and frame it. Okay, more stickers. And then we have the art of pressing flowers. So it talks about how to do it, like a little how-to manual. And then it has this section on what each of these flowers mean, with these beautiful watercolor illustrations of the flowers. So you could use these as a reference, or you could cut them out and put them in your notebook. And this is a little area to put in pressed flowers if you collect them yourself. There's more stickers, and then they're called Victorian calling cards, and they have the little cards that you can cut out, and then they have these little envelopes. So you've got the beautiful scrapbook paper, and then it already has the lines, so you can cut it out and fold and make tiny little envelopes. Super cute. More stickers. Again, a grid where you can make a whole grid page of stickers in your notebook. More quotes. And then there's Sudoku. I don't play it, so I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it. This is match the sticker. You're supposed to go through the book and find the stickers that fit. Then a couple of Sudoku puzzles, more Victorian trivia, Victorian slang, where you match up the word to its definition. And again, there are answers in the back for all of these. Caption this. There's a couple of these throughout. What's your Victorian name, where you match up like the first initial of your name and the month and your zodiac sign and give yourself a Victorian name. Oh, this is fun. Shadow puppets. So it shows you kind of the key of what to do with your hand to get that specific animal. Great parlor game. More mazes. More caption this. More stickers. Some of them are like borders. This is really, really pretty. More quotes. Oh, and then the answers. I won't show you the answers. The answers are toward the back. And then even the end pages are just beautiful. And this could be cut out and used in an art journal. So Antiquities, sticker, color, and activity book. I found this in the store at Barnes & Noble, but it's also available several places online, so I'll put links in the description. And again, let us know what you saw in those Inkblots. I would love to hear your answers in the comments section. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you found this helpful. Please click like and subscribe and share and all that good stuff. Come back and see me again for more journaling, planning, painting, anything to do with making your paper look pretty. Have a great day. Bye-bye.